Hi guys, I'm gonna make a video about petrified trees, and this document I'm doing it because I'm working on planet of Earth, planet of giants, civilization that has been forgotten but exists 300 million years ago. And I'm gonna explain about this tree first, and then I'll move on and I'll show you a chart. As you see over here, there's a tree, petrified tree, and maybe you can see that far, but over here is a town. Okay, and you see the streets, and you see some. I'm gonna get a close up so you can see it. Okay, right there, that's the city, and I'm gonna go this way, and you can see the tree. Okay, all right, this tree is a petrified tree, and now we're gonna get closer to the barks. See these barks over here, bark tree. Okay, this bark still exists attached to the tree, and so there's no way you can deny it's not a tree. And if you notice, also I'm gonna move the camera a little closer. You can see it's another tree over there. Okay, that's a tree over here, so you don't see clearly because it's that far away. But anyway, let's talk about this tree. Because we're talking about planet Earth, planet of giants, 300 million years ago. Well, everything was giant. So now I'm going to show you the chart. Okay, and as you see, there were giant trees, giant animals, giant humans. I wrote down 200, 300 feet, but actually were up to 500 feet, maybe 1,000 feet, because you'll see the evidence if you look my videos, and the evidence is petrified woods, but mud fossils of human giants, and mud fossils footprints, mud fossil animals. This civilization was from 100 million to 300 million years ago. Nobody talks about, maybe because they just don't want to mention for some reason. Because I remember we have a religion. The religion only tell us only few thousand we have on earth by God. Okay, so I show you the chart. Now I'm going back to the original photo. In this photo, I'm gonna go quick because I'm gonna show you a lot of pictures. Once again, you can see far away the mountains and all display. So you can compare with this tree in front of us, and you'll see that it's giant, so huge, big tree. And also at the same time, I'm gonna show you the barks. The bark of the tree is still there. There's no way you can deny it. It's not a tree. And you can see the center. You still see the lines, the edges of the tree. Okay, so I'm gonna move to this, and it's a tree. I'm gonna go quick to this. I'm gonna get closer to this picture so you can see that it's real wood. See, it's no way you're not gonna say it's not wood. It's just a rock, but it's not. See, there, most of the trees are giant and huge. I'm gonna go to my next picture because like I say, I have to do it quick to show you a few. Okay, they're big as mountains. Okay, once again. Okay, you see how big they are. Okay, sorry. Okay, so there were giant trees. I see even the clouds grow. I mean, below, and the tree is huge. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you what really happens. Okay, it's about the Earth. It says over there, magnetic extinction. The Earth suffers catastrophe every 12,000 years, and since the Earth creation was, which is 4.5 billion, I suppose this magnetic extinction exists. It's like a cycle, and this cycle is about pole shift. That means that the Earth changes poles, and they change to a different place. So that's what it means: pole shift or pole reverse. And so I'm going to show you another chart. Okay, this is the I'm going to get a little farther so you can see the numbers. Okay, right there. It says 12,000 years. That was last pole shift. And if you go in this eye, this is extinction, global disaster. 12,000 years ago was like an ice age, and it's a global disaster. Then after that is before that is 12,000 years. That's 24, 36, 48, 60, 72. That's how long it takes. But as you see, 72, if you read to the other side, it says global disaster and or global extinction. And so I'm going to show you another chart. Like I say, it's about pole shift, and this is pole shift right there, and this is the North Pole, and this is the South Pole, and you see the blue line from the center of the pole. The blue line is leaving, it's exiting, and it's far away. And so the red line from the center is moving out, and it's leaving the poles. So so you know that the Earth is about getting ready to leave and moved and change poles. All right, as you see, this is this is Australia, and this is Indonesia, this is China, and this is India. So this is a zone is being selected by Earth, is being already polarized. It's a volcano zones that polarize the Earth. So from the center is going to flip the Earth to the north. So this is going to be our North Pole. So I'm going to show you a chart after I show you this. Okay, it's this. And this is the new North Pole, and this is going to be the South Pole. What happened is that the this new pole is going to move to the north. It's just going to flip, and this is going to flip down. So this is going to be on the Antarctic, and I guess it's about that. And it's about between, I say, 2025, 2030. This cycle is going to occur on Earth, and if you're interested, you can watch my other videos. But it's all about planet Earth, planet of giants, because that was my main subject, and it turned out that I'm and other different topics, but they're all related. We just connecting dots and making story, but it got greater and greater, and when I find out that it's about pole shifts, everything changed. So just letting you know, if you're interested more in giant trees, all you gotta do is just look for petrified trees. If you want interested in giants, just look for giant, petrified, or mud fossils. And the other one is animals. They're all giant, and they're all petrified. But animals and human beings, they call mud fossils. But to me, they're all petrified because they're hard as rocks. Thank you very much for your time, for watching, and I'll see you next video. Bye.